Hello everybody, my name is Devashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Trainer as well as Cisco Networking Specialist at the Indian Cyber Security Solutions, and these are my LinkedIn and Twitter contact informations. Today I'm going to talk about route redistribution. What is the route redistribution all about? It is a process to advertise routes learned by some other routing protocols or static routing. It means if you want to connect between two different routing protocols, say EIGRP and OSPF, in order to share resources between them, then you have to inject route of EIGRP into OSPF and OSPF into EIGRP. So that is the route redistribution. What is the importance of redistribution? Redistribution is needed when a company is implementing two or more different routing protocols, or it is shifting to some other routing protocols, or a company is merging with some other company. Redistributed routes are known as external routes. Redistributed EIGRP routes have higher AD value. In case of EIGRP, the internal EIGRP routes have AD value of 90 and the external redistributed routes have an AD value of 170. Now there is an example of route redistribution between EIGRP and OSPF. The EIGRP route of 1111 that is redistributed into the OSPF, and OSPF route, the network of 3333 is redistributed inside the EIGRP. So that was the theory part for the route redistribution, and now I'm going to implement it practically using GNS3 simulator. Now see, there are three routers, R1, R2 and R3. So the R2 sits in between the EIGRP and OSPF and will configure EIGRP totally on R1 and OSPF totally on R3, and then will configure redistribution on R2. So first give the IP address. IP address 11.0.0.1. And loopback interface, say 1.0.0.1. And now configure EIGRP. 0.0.0.0. And now go to router 3 and implement OSPF. Interface serial 1 by 1. Router address set 12.0.0.2. And loop back. Okay, say 2.0.0.1. And now implement OSPF. Router 1 network. And now go to R2. In R2, serial 1 by 0. Give IP address of 11.0.0.2. Serial 1 by 1. Give IP address of 12.0.0.1. Now configure the EIGRP first. It will be 11.0.0.0. And on OSPF, network will be 12.0.0.0. Now we have to configure the redistribution. For that, first say I'm injecting OSPF routes inside EIGRPS. So go to router EIGRP10, the command redistribute OSPF value 1, but not only that, redistribute OSPF, not only redistribute OSPF 1, so I'm doing it, you have to write just redistribute OSPF 1, and then you have to specify the metric, otherwise the redistribution will not work. The metric will be first the bandwidth, say 1000 kilobits per second, then the delay, so the delay would be 250 microsecond, then the reliability, say 255, then the load, say 100, and the MTU, say 1024. And now I'll redistribute EIGRP routes inside OSPF process. So go to router OSPF 1, redistribute EIGRP 10, and specify subnets keyword, otherwise the class less routes won't be advertised. Now just check. Let's go to R1, give the command show IP route EIGRP, and you can see the external EIGRP routes that is coming from the OSPF domain 2001 and 12 is there, and the value external EIGRP is 170. Go to R3, give the command show IP route OSPF, and see the OSPF external routes are there, that is the EIGRP routes are injected to the OSPF domain and OSPF external routes are shown here. So I've shown you practically the redistribution, and also I've discussed with you theoretical redistribution part. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope it was informative for you. On some other day, I'll come with some other topic. Till then, it's goodbye.